Today, we're learning about three common database schemas: flat, star, and snowflake. Let's break it down.
A flat schema is like a big table with all your data in one place. Imagine an Excel sheet where each row has all the customer, product, and sales data, repeated over and over.
So it's simple, but not efficient?
Exactly. It's easy to read, but wastes space and is hard to update.
In a star schema, we have a central fact table, like sales, and it connects to dimension tables like customers, products, and time.
So less repetition and more organized?
Yes, it's fast for querying and great for reporting. Now, a snowflake schema is like a more detailed star. It breaks dimension tables into subtables. For example, the product table might link to a separate category table.
More normalized, but maybe slower?
Correct. It saves space but needs more joins.
To summarize, flat, simple, repetitive, not efficient. Star, balanced and fast for reports. Snowflake, more structured but may impact performance.